Once upon a time, in a cozy little kitchen nestled in the heart of a charming village, there lived a young boy named Oliver. He wasn't a famous chef, but everyone in the village knew him for one thing: his magical omelets. Every Sunday, his friends would flock to his small kitchen just to experience the spell he seemed to cast with eggs, butter, and a pinch of imagination. One morning, as the sun rose and painted the sky in hues of gold, Oliver woke up with a twinkle in his eye. He had decided to create something special that day, a breakfast that would warm hearts and fill bellies with joy. He carefully selected 2 eggs, smooth and delicate, as if they held a secret within their shells. With a gentle tap, he cracked them into a bowl, and as the yolks splashed into the whites, it was as if the sun itself had poured into his dish. Oliver added a splash of milk, thinking of the creamy clouds that drifted lazily across the sky, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Like the whispers of the wind, with his whisk in hand, Oliver beat the eggs until they became a bright, golden mixture. Each stir was filled with a little bit of his heart, and as he whisked, he thought of the people who would enjoy this meal, his family friends. This omelette, like all his others, was made with love. Oliver placed his favorite pan on the stove, the one that had seen countless creations over the years. He added a pat of butter, which sizzled and danced, releasing a rich, nutty aroma that filled the room. As the butter melted, it seemed to whisper secrets of past meals, memories of laughter and shared moments. Then came the moment of magic. Oliver poured the golden egg mixture into the pan, and it spread out like a shimmering blanket of sunlight. He watched as the edges began to set, forming the foundation of his creation. With a flick of his wrist, he tilted the pan, ensuring the eggs cooked evenly. But this omelette wasn't just about eggs. No, it had to tell a story of flavor. Oliver reached for a handful of diced onions, vibrant as the flowers in his garden, and sprinkled them onto the soft surface. Next came a few tomato pieces, earthy and mysterious, followed by a sprinkle of butter that melted into a gooey, comforting embrace. With great care, Oliver folded the omelette in half, like closing the pages of a well-read book. The butter oozed slightly from the edges, tempting and warm, while the veggies peeked out like colorful characters waiting to be discovered. Finally, Oliver slid the omelette onto a plate, garnished it with a sprig of fresh spinach, and stood back to admire his creation. It was simple, yes, but it was filled with warmth, love, and the hope that whoever ate it would feel just a little bit brighter inside. As his first friend entered his kitchen that morning, Oliver greeted him with a smile and a plate of his magical omelette. And as he took his first bite, his eyes lit up with happiness. In that moment, Oliver knew he had succeeded once again. He had not just made an omelette, but a story, one that would be shared, savored, and remembered. And so, in that small kitchen, Oliver's omelettes continued to weave stories of joy, comfort, and connection, one egg at a time.
Stay informed and up to date. Subscribe to our channel for the latest news, insights, and more.